someone who changed my life. Phil and I met in the mid-month of May last year. He is an incredible guy. Nicest and sweetest guy ever. I've never had a serious relationship before. I had a very low self-esteem. Always belittled myself. I thought I would never have a boyfriend, like everybody does. Because I was told by my friends and my sisters that I was chubby and ugly. I was extremely shy. One day, he came into my life and changed the way I think and see myself. We've been together for almost a year now. We've been through so many dramas. But in the end, everything turned out alright. All these times we've been together, he has taught me to be patient with myself and others. He makes me feel beautiful. Thanks to him, I'm more open up now. I believe in myself, and I'm very confident. He has shown me a different world. A world I thought I would never have. A world that filled with love and warmth. He cares for me, and makes me feel special. I want to spend the rest of my life with him, give him the most beautiful children ever.